Hello and welcome back. In this video, we're going to continue the work on the Golf GTD. The last video is where I replaced all the blown up airbags, the dashboard, all the seat belts and the interior of this car. So if you guys haven't seen that video, click up there. But in this specific video, we are going to start tackling the exterior of this car. We're going to start off by transferring all the wiring, the modules and the parts from the old door to the replacement door that we have, as the replacement door has slightly different parts on that door. And then we'll move on to the little damage area that we have behind the wheel and try to pull that damage out, straighten it up as much as we can. It's going to be slightly difficult as we don't have a chassis jig in this specific workshop, but we'll see how we get on, and then straighten that up, put the door back on, and then start moving on to like the wing, the drive shaft replacement, and a few other bits. So we have quite a bit of stuff that we need to do today. So without wasting any time, let's begin.
This is heavy. That is heavy.
Right, so this is the door that came off this car, and there's few stuff that we need to take off. I've already taken off the door module and transferred that across together with the wing mirror, which sits right here. So that's already been taken off and transferred over to the replacement door. Now the biggest thing that this door has that the replacement doesn't is the keyless entry system. So the door handle in this car has the keyless entry system, also known as KESI on the VW group. That handle that comes on that door does not have the keyless entry system. So we need to transfer the handle and all the parts here. I think we may be able to leave the central locking module there because I think that will be the same. But we'll look, once we take the handle off, we'll see if there's a connector there for that. If not, then we have to take the entire central locking module part off and transfer that across to the replacement door. So yeah, let's start tackling that and let's start removing the handle, which has a few screws there, and then it literally slides out. Also, we need to transfer over the lock cylinder as well. So let's go.
غالي بالضبط.
The rest of the way.
دقيقة شغل.
دقيقة كده دقيقة.
لا واحدة.
Right, so this is the loom that just came off this car, this door, the replacement door, and this is the loom from our car. As you can see, the connector is all smashed up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer this connector, the plugs, repin this connector, and then put this back through the door. So let's take this wiring apart, the wiring loom, and then we'll transfer the parts we need and put the rest back. Put this aside and then you transfer these connectors and stuff. So yeah, let's go. Right, so the door has finally finished. We've transferred all the wiring, all the stuff from the old door, which is right there, this mangled, mashed up door, from that to this one, and this is literally ready to go back into the car. But now it's time for us to start tackling the damage right here. So that little crushed area that you can see, that we need to sort out. I'm not sure how that's gonna work. But yeah, I'm just gonna figure something out. Need to pull that out straighten this part up, and then there is few little bits here that needs to be tapped back. That's gonna be straightened up, that's easy, that there. But this is the biggest part, so we need to pull this one out straight. guys, so the car has finally finished. As you can see, the headlight is back on, the wing has been sprayed and it's been put on, front bumper, the replacement wheel, and that part over there has been straightened off as much as we could. There's still a bit of work that needs to be done over there, but we haven't got time to get that sorted. We've been pretty busy with other projects and stuff, but yeah, as you can see, the door and everything's fully aligned, everything's on, as you can see, and this car has completed. So I have been using this car for a couple of weeks now, but yeah, the only thing that's left on this one is just finishing that little part over there, and apart from that, this is the car, this is how it looks. And yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and we will see you next time.